Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Ford Transit wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a small towel. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Now, locate the service position for your wiper arms. This usually involves a specific sequence with the ignition or a button press. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Once the wiper arms are in the service position, gently lift one arm away from the windshield until it locks into place. Be careful not to let it snap back. Next, locate the small release tab on the old wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade down or up, depending on the design, to detach it from the wiper arm hook. Repeat for the other side. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the second wiper blade, ensuring both are properly installed. After installing both new blades, turn on your vehicle and test them using the windshield washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they make even contact across the entire windshield and clear water effectively. This confirms proper installation and functionality. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, you'll find a link there too. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.